It's a new radio from FrSky. It's an X-lite Pro. You can see here it's brand new. It still has the seals intact. Let's cut this and see if we can open it up. And here it is. You can see it comes in this very nice carrying case. Kind of hardcover. And let's open up to see what we have. Some manuals, some tools, for this is for the gimbals, or maybe something else. We'll see. I've never owned a radio like this before, so it's news to me as well. And here is the radio. Just let you have a look. Of course, your regular gimbals. I guess this is for the menu. And if I know FrSky right, you can adjust this just as you want to do. Buttons to position, three position to position. And some sliding knobs. Not sure how easy it is to see, but so the reason why I bought this radio is because it's compatible with the trucks, of course, or the radios and receivers I have, and the size, it's just perfect for my daughter, who's 6 years old. Instead of holding this big radio, this should be perfect for her. So let's see if we can figure out how to install the batteries. I'm not sure if these are charged or not from the beginning. If you can read it, let's try to focus. At least it says 1600 milliamps, 3.7 volts. Which direction? There it says, again, maybe not so easy to see, but it says negative. And this is the plus side, this is the negative side. So in there, looks like the first time I've installed a battery in the radio. Like that. How did I manage this? There we go. Oh, there's even some push buttons here. I didn't realize. First time turning on, and no power. Put this one in as well. Maybe it needs to. I'm not sure. I really have no experience with this radio. There you go. So what a detailed screen. It's high contrast. It's really good to look at, but of course it's very difficult for you guys to see. Let me try to adjust this. I know everything is pretty dark right now, but hopefully you can see how this works. Wow, so good, so nice. Right now that's for like the trim and the throttle stick. I'm just trying different things. Let's see if it can still see and have it a little brighter. So, how do we get the menu? So here I can see the different, what the different buttons are, the numbering and everything, which is really nice. Battery, shift, multi-function joystick. Just push it to the right and you get to the menu. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not, and looking forward to share more videos with you.